Hey there, this is going to be a short lesson running through the web developer setup that you can expect and you're going to see in the upcoming lessons. I've got the editor opened on the left-hand side, and you are going to need an editor to try the code out. The editor that I'm using is Brackets. I've created a regular index.html page, so just opening, closing HTML, head, title, and body, as well as script for a placeholder. We're going to be writing all of the JavaScript directly within the index.html file. As well, I've got that index file opened up within the browser on the right-hand side, so that's the path to the file on my local machine, so we're not running any kind of local server. Although with Brackets, you do have an option to run live preview, which will run that within an HTTP protocol, but we're okay for what we're doing in the upcoming lessons to run it with file protocol. Also, this is going to be using Chrome. Chrome comes with developer tools, so you can open those up by doing inspect anywhere that's blank on the page. The three dots in the top right-hand corner, go to more tools, click developer tools, as well as you can use the shortcuts. They're going to be different for either for Windows or Mac. And for most of the course, we are going to have the console open. And what the console does is it allows us to write some JavaScript, render it out directly within the browser, and then we can see results. We can also get information from our index.html file and send that out using console log into the browser. And if you are looking to use the same editor that I'm using, although it's not necessary, if you already have a favorite editor, you can go ahead and use that one. The one I'm using is available at Brackets.io. So this is a free download, works for Windows, Macs, Linux, and it's got a lot of great features, as well as it's an Adobe product. So really good product there. The other resources that we're using, so we are using Chrome, and that's DevTools. If you want to find out a little bit more about DevTools, they've got the shortcuts here. So this is for a Mac, it's Command-Option-J or Control-Shift-J for Windows, Linux, and Chrome OS. So there's more information about the DevTools, and for the most part, we are only going to be open on console. And we are going to be also referencing the Canvas API available at the Mozilla Developer Network. This is a great resource for documentation, so you can check that out as well. Mozilla Developer Network, developer.mozilla.org, and search for Canvas API, and you'll be able to find that. It's got some great examples as well as references and additional reading on the topic. So once you've got your developer environment set up and ready to go, then you're going to be ready to move on to the next lesson. We're going to start coding. So go ahead, get yourself ready, and we're diving into coding coming up next.